Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the runtime and a concrete model file. Install Onnx and Onnx runtime and activate your virtual environment. Once done, load your model file path into a variable and inspect its input names and shapes using Onnx. Shape inference or Onnx. Helper. Make sure to write a small preprocessing function that converts images or tensors to the model's expected d-type and shape. This first step ensures you won't misfeed the network and saves time in later debugging stages. You now load the Onnx model into an inference session and wire up inputs. Instantiate Onnx runtime. Inference session with your model path and query session. Get inputs to map names. Next, convert your data to NumPy arrays with the exact d-type, reshape to the expected batch dimension, and normalize values per the model's training scheme. Then call session. Run with the output names and input dictionary. Once you receive outputs, post-process them into labels, probabilities, or bounding boxes as required by your application. You finish by optimizing and validating the pipeline so it's production-ready. Apply session options for graph optimization or convert with quantization if latency matters. Then run a few test cases and compare outputs to your original framework to ensure numeric parity. If something breaks, inspect the offset, look for unsupported or custom operators, and enable verbose runtime logging to see the stack. Finally, wrap the session in a small class for reuse and call it from your application with consistent proprietary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.